Hi, Assalamualaikum and good morning to my English Year 5 pupils. So today I'm Teacher Wani, Madam Wani, going to teach you the topic days. Okay, are you ready? Okay, how are you class? I hope all of you is doing fine. And I hope you are ready for today's lesson. So let's get into it. Before we go into our lesson, I would like to explain to you for today's lesson objective. What is it? The first one is, at the end of the lesson, you will be able to answer at least 4 quiz on superlative correctly. Second one, you will be able to fill in the blank at least 5 blanks correctly. Okay, let's get into our lesson class. Today, I'm going to teach you comparative versus superlative adjective. Comparative adjective. Sounds very familiar, right? That's because we have learned comparative adjective in a previous lesson. You didn't remember what is comparative adjective? It's okay. Let's revise it together. Okay, what is comparative adjective? The first one, before we go into comparative adjective, I would like to ask you, do you remember what is adjective? Very good. Adjective is kata sifat. For example, bunga itu cantik. Cantik adalah kata sifat bagi bunga. That flower is beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective for the flower. While comparative adjective is comparative adjective used when comparing two things, person, or situation that are not equal. Manakala untuk comparative adjective adalah kata sifat yang digunakan untuk perbandingan dua benda, orang atau situasi yang tidak sama. Okay, let's get into the example for further understandings. This is the example of comparative adjective. As you can see in this picture, there are 2 elephants. How many? Very good. 2. 1, 2. Elephant A and elephant B. So there are 2 elephants. Elephant A is big. Elephant B is bigger. Okay. Jika anda dapat lihat di dalam gambar yang saya tunjukkan sekarang, terdapat 2 gambar gajah. Betul? Elephant A, gajah A dan gajah B. Gajah A besar, gajah B lebih besar. So, bigger atau lebih besar is the comparative adjective for adjective big. Bigger atau lebih besar adalah comparative adjective bagi adjective big. If you use it in a sentence, it will be like elephant B is bigger than elephant A. Gajah B lebih besar daripada gajah A. Okay? Elephant B is bigger than elephant A. Do you understand now what is comparative? And you still remember what is comparative adjective that I have taught you earlier? Very good. Okay. Now let's get into superlative. What is superlative? Just like comparative adjective, superlative adjective is also for comparing. Sama seperti comparative adjective, superlative adjective juga adalah digunakan untuk perbandingan. Okay? Superlative adjective used when comparing things, person or more situation. Kata sifat yang digunakan untuk perbandingan 3 atau lebih benda, orang atau situasi. 3 atau lebih, 3 or more. Things, person or situation. Perbandingan 3 atau lebih. Kalau 2, kita gunakan comparative. Kalau lebih daripada 3, kita gunakan superlative adjective. Okay. Let's look into the examples. Yuk kita lihat contoh penggunaan superlative adjective. Okay, as you can see in this picture, there are how many? Yes, very good. 3 elephant. 3 gajah. 1, 2, 3. Elephant A, elephant B, and elephant C. Elephant A is big. Elephant B is bigger. Dia nampak lebih besar daripada elephant A. And elephant C is the biggest. Okay. Gajah C yang paling besar antara kesemuanya. Is the biggest elephant of all. Okay. Sekiranya anda dapat lihat, elephant C adalah gajah yang paling besar antara ketiga-tiga gajah yang telah saya tunjukkan. Okay. So, bigger is the comparative adjective, while biggest is the superlative adjective. Paling besar. Okay. Yang akhir sekali ini ada biggest, ini adalah superlative adjective. Do you understand? That's good. Okay. If we use superlative adjective in the sentence, will be like this. Okay. Elephant C is the biggest of all. Gajah C adalah yang paling besar di antara kesemuanya. Okay. This is example in the sentence. Elephant C is the biggest of all. Okay, very good. Okay. The picture that you can see now is the example of few lists of superlative adjectives. Actually, there are many more. There banyak lagi contoh dan senarai superlative dan comparative adjective. Ini hanyalah sebahagian sahaja. You may pause the video and to read and to understand the list. Anda boleh pausekan video anda untuk membaca. Okay, that's all for today class. I hope you understand now what is comparative adjective and superlative adjective. If you have any question, you may contact directly to me. That's all for today. Take care class. Goodbye. Bye-bye.